Hello, I am Sadia Shabnaz, ID 1421535557. Today our topic is how to configure dynamic routing. Now we will follow the step as mentioned in detail. Here I will assign IP addresses to all the first Ethernet and serial interfaces respectively. Second, I will change the state of the interface from down to up. Then after I am done with the basic step, I will apply RIP, that means routing information protocol, commands on both router as follows. Now I will see the procedure. From in device I will take two generic PC and I have to take routers. I will take two routers. Here I will take generic. Yeah. Now I have to connect them. If I don't know which connection I will use, then I will use the automatically choose connection type. Okay. Now I'll use this. Then router to router. Here I have to configure the PC. That's why I will go desktop IP configuration. Then I will give a IP address which 192.168.1.2. Then by default I will get a subnet mask, and then I will now I have to give a default gateway which is 192.168.1.1. Now PC0 will configuration is done. Now PC1 desktop IP configuration. Now I will give a IP address 192.168.3.2. By default I will get a subnet mask. Now I will give a default gateway 192.168.3.1. in this way my PC1 configuration is done. Now I will configure the routers. Now I will take the router 0, then go to CLI, then continue with the configuration dialog, which is no, enter, two enters. Now I will enable it, dev enable. Now I will configure the PC, dev configure, dev configure terminal. Now router config, int dev interface FA, dev interface first Ethernet. Now I have to check the first Ethernet. Here the first Ethernet is FA 0/0. Okay, now first Ethernet is 0/0. Enter. Now I'll give a IP address 192.168.1.1, and the subnet mask is 255.255.255.0 because it is a C class IP. Now no shut, SH. Okay, for second PC I have to configure. That's why I need to exit it. Okay, exit. Now I will int. Okay, now I have to check it. This is SE 2/0. Okay, int SE 2/0. Enter. Now I have to give IP address, IPDD tab IP address, which is 192.168.2.1, and the subnet mask is 255, which is a C class IP. Okay, no SH. Okay, my router 0 configuration is done. Now I have to configure the router 1 CLI in same way. No enable tab, enable config conf tab, configure T tab, configure terminal, then int tab, interface. Now I have to FA, first Ethernet. Now I have to check the first Ethernet is FA 0/0. That means 0/0. IP address 192.168.1 3.1, and the subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. no SH. For second for this I have to exit the first one. Now I'll exit it. Exit. Okay, now int I have to check it, which is SE 2/0. Okay, SE 2/0. IP address tab, IP address 192.168.2.2, and the default subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. no SH. Okay, now I have to add RIP this. That's why I have to exit it. If I want, then I will first I've done the router 1 or router 0. It's not a problem. Now I will use the router 1 for RIP. I have to exit it. Exit. Okay, config ROUTER router RIP. Okay, now I will give a network address 192.168.2.0. in same way I will give a IP address also 192.168.2.1. 192.168.3.0. Okay, my work is done. Now I will RAP the first router. Now I have to exit it. Exit router RIP. Now I will give a IP address 192.168.1.0. Now I will give a second IP address 192.168.2.0. My work is done. Now I will see the message is sent or not. Okay, failed. Successful. At first it's failed because it takes some time to set up this. That's why if at first time it shows fail. So thank you.